Hello friends and my viewers, I welcome you all. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a waterfall fountain and theme is Buddha theme. So first collect the sand and remove the unnecessary particles and stones from it as you can see in this video. And now make the mixture of sand, water and cement. Texture should be like this as shown in the video. Friends, waterfall fountain making is really a fun activity and you can engage your kids also in it. And surely kids will love this creativity and also for a while they will be away from mobile and TV. So I had used Bata boxes. So I filled the bigger box completely with the cement and then I kept the smaller one inside the bigger one. Now I am filling the boundaries with the cement mixture. So just remember to fill the boundaries properly with the cement mixture and leave it for 48 hours. Now after 48 hours when it has got dried, I am removing the box with the help of knife. And if the cement particles are coarse and dry, then just sprinkle water over it. So pouring water over it will give strength and will make the base stronger. Guys, waterfall fountain making is really a fun and you don't need to purchase anything extra from the market. So you can use any waste products available at your home. So I had cardboard and thermocol. So what I had done, firstly I cut the thermocol into thermocol strips and then made cavities between them. So these cavities will give a proper channel to flow of water and that will give a appearance of waterfall finally. So now I am assembling these thermocol strips with the help of toothpick. So I am joining all the thermocol pieces over the cardboard and from one side I have given a hole for the insertion of pipe. Now just apply the cement mixture over this structure with the help of brush. So you can use paintbrush also, but I had old toothbrush, so I am using toothbrush to apply cement over it. Now just leave it to get set. After 12 hours my structure was little bit dried, so I kept it over the base which I had prepared earlier, but there was not efficient balance and support. So to maintain the proper balance, I am applying cement mixture over the base of pillars in the back and in sides of this structure. Friends, don't forget to sprinkle water at every few hours, so this will give strength and also there will be no cracks. So waterfall fountain making is not a quick process and it takes 3 to 4 days and you had to keep lot of patience. Friends, always keep the water fountain in sunlight so it will dry rapidly and don't forget to sprinkle it with water in every few hours. So I had this green jhalar which I used in Christmas tree decoration and now I am reusing it again for making trees for fountain. So this green jhalar is easily available at every stationery. Now I am making multiple openings in a straw. So from this openings water will come out and will give appearance of waterfall. Now with the help of glue I am sticking this straw over the structure. And to hide this straw I am applying this jhalar over it. So this will give a look of plants. Further to hide this straw I will paint with color. Friends, after the all procedures and after all the efforts of so many days, when finally I inserted the straw inside the main pipe of the motor, I was really disappointed because the speed of water flow was too much low. So after long thinking process, I decided to replace the straw with the main pipe of the motor. Friends, you can see in this video that I am using desi stones of my own garden, but this was not giving a pleasant look. So later on I replaced the stones also with white and green pebbles. Friends, you can also use multiple colored stones or white or green stones. You can also use show pieces. As I am using Buddha, you can keep Ganeshji, Shivji, Shivling. Friends, it's a advice that always purchase a motor which is attached with multiple colored light. So in night it will look awesome and also will give the reflection of multiple colored. Friends, here you can notice that I have replaced the straw with the direct pipe of the motor and I have blocked the one end of the pipe by inserting the piece of thermocol inside it. Further, I caused complete blockage by using glue at one end. Now I am trying to hide this pipe by applying tissue paper over it. So I am sticking tissue paper over the pipe with the help of Fevicol, and when it will got dried, I am applying paint. So I am using green color, and then I will put jhalar over it, so that will give a look of plants. Friends, always remember to use acrylic or oil color, as watercolor won't stay in water. After all things done, it was time to switch on the plug. So finally, when I switched on the plug, I was happy with the result. The speed of the water flow was good, but at the one opening the speed was too much high and water was coming outside from the fountain. Now I was thinking to narrow this opening, and I tried many things. So friends, after putting so much hard work and time, I didn't find any solution, and finally I decided to choose Fevistick. So I put Fevistick over the opening to narrow it. And surprisingly, the result was awesome, and I was really happy with the result. So this is the final look of my fountain, friends. Doesn't it look pretty? So please friends, if you like this video, do share with your friends and family and enjoy making waterfall fountain.